31 years ago, we launched an event in Dallas, Texas called Splash, where we bring in teachers together and give them professional learning, thought leadership, development, and a whole lot of fun associated with that.
I see Frog Street as being that spearheading the new wave of what education's going to look like.
We all have one common goal, and that is to spread magic in our classrooms and help our students unlock the magic that's inside of them.
They're going to see, just like I did, the energy, the enthusiasm, the excitement that is much more than skin deep.
Oh, it's phenomenal. It's like magic.
It's really heartfelt by all the teachers. They absolutely love the curriculum. They connect with each other on a really deep level, and they believe in it.
You need to come see the experience for yourself. When teachers try to describe to their colleagues what it is, there's just no words because it's such a dynamic experience. You can't miss this. This is literally the Frog Street event of the year.